Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special video for all the diabetics out there who struggle to find delicious desserts that won't spike their blood sugar levels. We understand the challenges that come with managing diabetes, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste when it comes to satisfying your sweet tooth. In this video, we will be sharing 7 mouth-watering dessert recipes that are not only tasty, but also diabetes-friendly. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of guilt-free indulgence. 1. Sugar-free chocolate avocado mousse. Our first dessert on the list is a decadent sugar-free chocolate avocado mousse. Avocados are not only rich in healthy fats, but also low in carbohydrates, making them a perfect ingredient for diabetic-friendly desserts. To make this creamy and luscious mousse, simply blend ripe avocados with unsweetened cocoa powder, a splash of vanilla extract, and a natural sugar substitute like stevia or monk fruit sweetener. Chill the mixture in the fridge for a few hours and voila! You have a guilt-free dessert that will satisfy your chocolate cravings without spiking your blood sugar levels. 2. Low-carb berry chia seed pudding. Next up, we have a refreshing low-carb berry chia seed pudding that is packed with fiber and antioxidants. Chia seeds are a fantastic superfood for diabetics, as they are high in fiber and low in carbohydrates, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. To make this pudding, simply combine chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk, a hint of vanilla extract, and your favorite berries like raspberries or blueberries. Let the mixture sit in the fridge overnight to allow the chia seeds to plump up and create a pudding-like consistency. Enjoy this nutritious and delicious dessert for a guilt-free treat that won't wreak havoc on your blood sugar. 3. Sugar-free lemon coconut macaroons. If you're a fan of coconut and citrus flavors, then you'll love our sugar-free lemon coconut macaroons. These chewy and tangy treats are perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings without causing a sugar spike. To make these macaroons, simply combine shredded coconut, almond flour, lemon zest, and a natural sugar substitute like erythritol or xylitol. Shape the mixture into small mounds and bake until golden brown. These delightful macaroons are the perfect balance of sweet and tart, making them a delightful dessert option for diabetics who want to indulge without compromising their health. 4. Dark chocolate bark with nuts and seeds. Indulge in some guilt-free chocolate goodness with our dark chocolate bark with nuts and seeds. Dark chocolate is known for its antioxidant properties and lower sugar content compared to milk chocolate, making it a better choice for diabetics. Simply melt dark chocolate over a double boiler, then sprinkle with a mix of nuts and seeds like almonds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. Let the bark cool and harden in the fridge before breaking it into bite-sized pieces. This crunchy and satisfying dessert is perfect for snacking or sharing with friends and family. 5. Sugar-free apple cinnamon baked oatmeal. Start your day on a sweet note with our sugar-free apple cinnamon baked oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritious and filling breakfast option for diabetics, and when combined with apples and cinnamon, it becomes a delightful dessert as well. Simply mix rolled oats with unsweetened almond milk, chopped apples, cinnamon, and a natural sugar substitute like stevia. Bake the mixture in the oven until golden brown and bubbly. This warm and comforting dessert is perfect for cold mornings or as a sweet treat after dinner. 6. Protein-packed chocolate peanut butter smoothie. Craving something sweet and satisfying? Look no further than our protein-packed chocolate peanut butter smoothie. This creamy and indulgent smoothie is packed with protein and healthy fats, making it a perfect dessert or post-workout snack for diabetics. Simply blend unsweetened almond milk, protein powder, natural peanut butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, and a dash of cinnamon for a flavorful and nutritious treat. This smoothie is a delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. 7. Avocado chocolate pudding parfait. Last but not least, we have a show-stopping avocado chocolate pudding parfait that is sure to impress. This layered dessert combines creamy avocado chocolate pudding with a crunchy granola topping for a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. To make the pudding, simply blend ripe avocados with unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and a natural sugar substitute. Layer the pudding with your favorite low-carb granola and top with a dollop of whipped cream for a decadent and visually appealing dessert that is perfect for special occasions or everyday indulgence. We hope you enjoyed this roundup of tasty desserts for diabetics that won't spike your sugar. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste when it comes to enjoying sweet treats. With the right ingredients and a bit of creativity, you can indulge in delicious desserts that are both satisfying and diabetes-friendly. Which of these dessert recipes are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay sweet, stay healthy.